Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can delete all memory in your account on Microsoft Copilot in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, you will need to access Copilot and log into your account. Click into your profile icon in the bottom left, and from the menu here in the bottom left, click into settings. Now inside your account settings, what you want to do is navigate to the memory tab, and you may click into this button here, delete all memories. And that is going to delete basically not your chat history, it's not the same, but all information that may have been used by Copilot for a reference for your conversations, like for example activities you have had on other Microsoft applications like on Bing or Edge, or your search history, and information that can be drawn or sourced from that, used for context in conversations. So that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.